Okay, I just wanted to take some data from the CANSIM tables, put them into Excel. And they're in Excel, like it's pretty straightforward to just copy and paste them into Fathom. So what you might want to start with is putting them into Excel. You don't always have to do this. You can copy and paste right into Fathom, but it just helps with the editing of the data. So what I just did is a Google search for CANSIM. Definitely the best, most reliable source you can get secondary data from is Stats Canada. That puts us to this website. And when you're picking your project, like, it's a good idea to go through these and see what's interesting to you. So I just actually just went through some random ones. I wanted to stay away from ones that people might choose. So I'm just looking at this one here for seniors. I just wanted to see the retirement savings plan. So the number of people that are kind of putting in money into retirement every year. So we click on the table. You can see that we have some data here. We've got the total RSP contributors, and we've got the contributions in thousands of dollars. It might be interesting to correlate these two to see does the contributors cause more money to be in there? Of course it would. But you can see that this one goes up and this one kind of stays the same. So there might be there are obviously better projects to do, to see if the economy has something to do with GDP or CPI or something like that has to do with RSP contributions. Okay, so I don't want the data to look like this. I kind of want the time to be in columns so that the data is all just stacked up. There's not a lot of data here. It's only 12 points, but so it's obviously more useful when you have a lot more data. I'm just going to click Add, Remove, and kind of walk through the things that you can see. We can click Canada. If you didn't want just Canada, you wanted just Ontario, you could pick just Ontario. But we're going to pick all of Canada. We've got the number of tax filers. We don't need that. We've got the RSP contributors. We're going to keep that. You can see that there's a whole bunch of data there that we didn't even see before. And then total RSP contributions is the money. If you wanted to kind of go into more depth about this, you could pick something like the age, the number, and see if people are contributing to their retirement savings earlier. But I'm really just going to correlate these two data points here. What's given is 2008 to 2012. I can go all the way back to 2000. And then I can actually change it right here. This saves us having to do a transpose later. You can just change this to time as rows. If I hit apply, I can see the new data set. So I can see that. And then I'm just going to take this here and copy it. And then under your Google Drive, you can just click New Spreadsheet. And in the top left corner, I'm just going to pick Control V to paste. I know people have had trouble pasting it where it would just come into one cell. You just have to be careful. Make sure that you do. That's not the screen you want. Make sure that you do kind of copy it all the way from R to the 5, just so that you have everything there. Okay. So now we got in a spreadsheet, and it's readily accessible into Fathom right now. So we can put this guy. We can put everything into Fathom, but we can put this guy as our X variable. And you might want to change the name so it's more user friendly for you, and change this guy to Y variable, and there probably should be some clear correlation there. You can change the spreadsheet title. It's all saved for you in your Google Drive. Okay.